It's a lovely. Look at me trying to hide the seatbelt so they don't think I got a seatbelt on, so I can be cool like everybody else. Well, I got a seatbelt on. You know what? It's cool to wear your seatbelt.
I know, but it really messes up like the.
This is not the type of video. You don't tell them what it messes up. You're supposed to be like, nah, babe, seatbelts.
Be safe.
Yeah, hit them with the
seatbelts. Everybody wear your seatbelts.
Politically correct. You feel me? You gotta,
and
be
don't
safe.
look at the camera when you're driving and making a video.
Right. So anyway, I got my Jamaican bobsled team shirt on. Came straight from Cool Runnings. You feel me? And look at her over there looking so supple. Hey, Pouts, we hear you back there.
You can't forget about it.
Can't forget about Pouts. She sounds like she's starting up a car.